Very good morning friends, I am Rajesh here from Dubai. Today I am going to introduce brand new SANY 75 ton crawler crane. This model is SCC 750A and it has launched around last quarter of 2018. This have a lot of advanced feature comparatively to the previous model, and in this video I'll try to show you useful information about this machine. And watch till the end of this video. Please follow me. This is how shipment came from factory, without a crawler track assembly, counterweight and main boom. As you see in this photo, it's very difficult to transport the machine, so SANY engineer assembled the track group to make it transportation very easy. Firstly, I'll show you the operating cabin of this machine, and let's see how it looks like. I felt a bit difficult to get inside because this is in a transportation mode. If this is in a working mode, the crawler will be extended, then it's very easy to get inside. So let me open the door first. So you can lock the door here. The locking small lock is there. This is a function lock and it's one of the safety device. Once it is locked, then the machine function entirely will be stopped. So let me get inside first. As I said earlier, when you start to operate the machine, first you have to unlock like this. This is travel control lever. As you know, most of the crawler machine have the same method. This is a travel lever used to move the crane to and fro. This is travel pedal, same function you can do with the foot also. And left side you can see one more pedal. This is a free fall control pedal and this control main hoist free fall. Actually this is a single free fall machine. If it is dual free fall, one more pedal will be here. Yeah, right hand side. And right hand side you can see one more pedal. This is a foot throat pedal. Actually the function is, this is used to adjust the engine speed. Next I'll show you monitor. Actually this is a touch screen monitor with the 8.4 inch screen with the programming switches. As you see in this picture, all working parameters and status are showing in the monitor, such as engine speed, fuel level, engine oil pressure, servo pressure, and wind speed, engine working hours, lifting condition, and boom angles. We should say thanks for SYMC and LMI control system. Actually, these systems are control complete crane operations. If crane moves towards dangerous condition, this system make judgment and cut off automatically. And it also performs as a black box to record all the lifting information. Next, I'll show you a front screen of the machine. There you can see two locks on top left and right to open it. This we can lift it up completely like this. There is a wiper here to clean the front glass. Now you can see direct view of outside, and same way you can close it. And on the top sunshade is here. You can open it like this, and there is a wiper fixed to clean the glass. If you come forward on the roof, one cabin light is here. And after this, if you come to right side, you can see a curtain here, and you can see a small window, and to open like this, a strong grill fixed here. My left and right, you can see two joysticks here, and this is the right joysticks. Actually, right joysticks is used to control main load hoist and boom hoist. And this is cigar lighter with the 12 volts DC and 10 ampere is for recharging adapter. And this is failure indicator, and is a safety buzzard, hand throttle rotary button. It's used to control engine speed. This is main key portal to start the engine and stop. Again, if you come back side, here you can see lots of control switches. Each switch is representing different function. This is main load hoist lock, auxiliary load hoist lock, boom hoist lock, high speed travel, and a working light. Come to second row. The first switch is assembly mode. Wiper switch for roof window, wiper switch for front window, and last one is wiper washer. If you come back side, you can see a small fan, two speakers and two AC ventilator, and front side also they given two AC ventilator. This is left joystick. It control auxiliary winch load hoist and swing control level. This is release master switch and also called as a bypass lock. Once you release the key, a safety system will not work. And next one is a free fall permit switch. And the next one, this is a telescopic switch. It is used to extend and retract a crawler. And last one is sparrow switch. And this is emergency stop button. And next back side of this, you can see AC and radio control systems. And behind the seat, you can see two safe boxes left and right. This one you can use to keep your personal belongings like catalogs and all. In this box, you can see GPS and GPRS data transfer device. This is working as a standard remote monitoring system. And through this system, you can see machine status, operating data analysis, and a remote diagnosis of failure. And next one is black box. It records all functional movement of the crane. And when you come out nearby door, you can see one fire extinguisher is fixed here. Next, we'll talk about the seats. This is not a normal seat and it has important features. You can adjust the seat as per your convenience. And these seats have a safety lock system. If operator leaves the seats, all control handle will be locked. If you want to close the door, a small lever is here to release the door lock. Nearby cabin, you can see a small ventilator. So let's open and see what is inside. Yeah, this is AC filter. And this is outer view of the machine, and you can see 4 cabins. So let's open first door and see what other components are inside. This is hydraulic tank compartment, which having a capacity of 460 liter hydraulic oil. And nearby hydraulic tank, you can see 3 filters. So the details I'll show you later. And this is a main pump, and for safety there is a fire extinguisher is also placed here. So let's close and open next door. This is main hydraulic pump compartment. This main pump developed by Soar Danfosis. hydraulic system given maximum pressure of 32 megapascal, and its open variable displacement piston pump and main pump adopts electrically controlled positive flow control system. And behind the pump you can see three filters. First one is pre-filter, and second one is oil water separator, and third is fuel filters. And let's close this door, and we'll try to open the next cabin. So this is the engine room. First you can see oil filter over here and turbocharger. I'll explain about this engine. This is Isuzu diesel engine with 212 kilowatts or 284 HP with 2000 RPM. This is 4-stroke water cooled and 6-cylinder direct injection turbocharger and European standard Tier 3 emission standard controls. Let's open the last cabin. Yes, this is a radiator cabin. Here you can see a huge radiator to cool the engine. Next I'll show you back side of the machine. This is the place where counterweight is fixing. Compared to earlier model, this machine got a monitoring camera and a projection light. This camera helps to monitor backside of the crane as well as winch rotation. Let's come to right side of the machine. Here you can see 5 cabins. Also you can see a stair to get upside. Let's open the first cabin, so find out what is inside. Actually this is oil cooler, and under the oil cooler 2 batteries are fixed here, 12 watts 180 ampere capacity batteries. This is all here. Let's go to next one. Here you can see auxiliary winch motors. Actually this winch motor is developed by Sany, and you can see other hoses connecting to auxiliary winches. Here you can see more space, convenience for maintenance. Then let's move to next cabin. Here you can see main control box and main valve. Let's open a control box. So here you can see SYMC unit. Actually this is control entire crane like LMI and LMU etc. And this use campus technology used for the data communication between control monitor and the engine. And here it's another winch motors, and the valve also developed by Sany. And let's open the third or fourth cabin. So here also you can see some components of valves. It's a part of a main valve. So last cabin you can see a diesel tank. This is 400-liter diesel tanks. So there is a horn alarm. You can see there's a steps to go to upside. This is a string lock. There is another electronic lock is you can control from cabin. And this is serial number and manufacturing year plate. This crane is manufactured in 2019 on March. So this is a front view of operating cabin. In front operating cabin, there you can see three colors of warning light, like a red, yellow, green. Each color indicates a different meaning. When the actual load is smaller than 90% of the rated load, the green light is on. When the actual load is larger than 90 and smaller than 100, the yellow light is on and alarm light flashes send out the intermediate siren. When the actual load reach 100 and 102, the complete operation will be locked. This is one of the safety features of this machine. These are set of keys coming with the machine. These two keys used to start the machine and other keys are to open the cabin. They are offering complete set of catalog, which is include safety manual, operation manual and spare parts manual, and one set of soft copy. Two set of toolbox, two set of coveralls, and set of filters and diesel filling funnel, and also here you can see one more toolbox is here, and a grease gun. Actually, this machine has been already confirmed by the customer. Kindly be with us for a few minutes and watch the video. Meanwhile, transportation and commissioning is going on. After that, I'll explain in detail. Hi, welcome back. Next I'll explain the counterweight. Total counterweight of the machine is 25 ton. In this, the counterweight tray comes around 8.7 ton and other counterweight comes a ratio of 4 and 4.15 ton each. I'll explain about the undercarriage. You can extend the track up to 4850 and retract the size to 3200 mm. Each track shoes have 800 mm width, and one side 65 numbers of track shoes are placed here. In one side you can see 10 numbers of track rollers are placed here. And about 2 cadre rollers also here. What you see in here, this is extending and retracting hydraulic cylinder, and this is swing mechanism. This you can rotate to 360 degree, and this is used for single drop ball bearing to rotate to 360 degree. And this is also part of extending a hydraulic cylinder. This is main boom. The full configuration comes 57 meter and the minimum boom limited to 12 meter. Here you can see 2 tubes. This is called a backstop device. Its major components are nesting tube and spring. This helps to buffer the boom backlash and to prevent further tipping back. What you see in first is main winch, and second one is auxiliary winch, and the diameter of both wire rope is 22 mm and the drum dia is 520 mm. This is the boom hoist winch. Here the wire rope dia is 20 mm, then drum dia is 400 mm. Here you can see a vacant path for walking with a safety barrier at the side end. This is anemoscope. This is one of the wind speed detector and a safety system. If wind is more than fixed radius, operation will cut off automatically. Below you can see limit switch. It is one of the safety system. This will prevent the hook lifting up from fixed height. Total 4 types of hooks come in this machine. One is 75 ton, 45 ton, 15 ton and 9 ton bull hooks. As of now, I showed you each components of the machine. In the next video, I'll show you the theoretical parameters and performance of this SCC 750A. Next, I'll show you the main performance and specification of this crane. Here you can see maximum rated capacity. Capacity is 75 ton and largest lifting moment 288, and the main boom configuration fixed jib, the speed, wire rope, engine details, equipment transportation diameter and other details. I don't want to make this video too long, so whatever important parameter you needed, you can pause the video and read it. Here you can see all dimensions of the machine. This chart shows the main boom combination. For example, you want to make it 36 meter boom length. How we can do it? As you see in this chart, 12 meter minimum length of basic structure. So 12 meters should be there, and take one number of 6 meter and two number of 9 meter length boom. Total comes to 36 meter. This is load chart. In this chart, I'll show you how to calculate load chart of main boom configuration. As you see in this chart, lower boom angle is 30 degree and upper angle is 80 degree. Here you can see 2 pages of data sheets. One is 12 to 33 meter and another one 36 to 57 meter. Do you know how to calculate the load chart? I'll explain through this video. For example, you want to lift 75 ton. what will be the height of the main boom and radius? It's very simple. Radius means a distance from the crane up to lifting material. Actually, it starts from the center of the crane. Your lifting material should be 3.8 meter far from the crane and main boom should be 12 meter. So you can lift 75 ton. Same time, real load chart will show in monitor. Next, I'll try to take direct feedback from the customer about SANY cranes.
Hi, sir. How is it? Fine. So, how is everything?
Well, alhamdulillah, everything is okay. What's going on?
How is the project?
Project is a little bit not like before, but now it's okay. We have some project and alhamdulillah we are going on. I think you already visited one of our projects.
Yes.
The one new crane we purchased, it's already over there. Alhamdulillah is going on. Actually, I have experience with the crane SANY since I think 2006, 2007, like that. That model was okay.
Okay.
I think it was a blue color, something like that.
Yeah.
But we face a problem for the chassis. I think you know about that one. There is a crack, some cracks, and they rectify already.
Yeah, it's a
But we are
2008 and
2008
6 models.
they rectify, that's one. But at that time I was not satisfied really because I'm afraid.
Okay.
Then after that, I think we bought one 2014.
14 model. Okay.
Model is little bit. I think that time changed to you.
Yes, it changed
to
complete
your
model.
company,
Yeah.
The crane was okay, but have a problem. Little bit slow.
Okay, even
Movement
14
was,
model. Okay.
my movement was slow. I don't know why. That's the problem I was facing. But now when I purchased these two, I'm not facing the problem. All alhamdulillah is okay.
Okay.
Till now. But I think we have one crane since 9 months now.
Yes.
And I think it's okay. Can I take this call? I think the problem is not same like before.
Yeah.
I'm happy with the machine till now. It's okay. It's okay. I feel by that it was not like 2014. It was not like 2007 or 2008.
Yeah.
2008 was okay for the operation. It was very fast. Was very good.
Yes.
Little bit safety. But now it's too much safety, and you know safety sometimes is
Yes.
sometimes is delay or but you know safety is the first. Safety is first, yeah. So we are very happy with that one.
So if you're really happy with our service, United Motors and the Ishbinam, the local dealer here.
Sure. Actually, till now I'm not facing any problem.
Okay.
So all is okay, alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
I hope it will be continued because
Yeah, sure, of
the
course.
problem will not be visible in first year. It will be visible later, 3
Yeah.
years, 4 years.
Our-
So I hope the performance will be the same.
Yeah, performance with the same, everything will be okay.
Sure, inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today I am sitting with Mr. Adnan Noor. He is the operation manager of Emirates German Foundation. They have more than 9 SANY crawler crane. So they will share his experience, exactly what is his personal experience with the SANY machines.
Hi, good morning. We are dealing with the SANY people since more than 2 years, so we have a good experience with them. We purchased last year, this SCC 750A. It's the latest model of SANY cranes, and we are fully satisfied with this equipment. Especially they make some modification in this machine, in the undercarriage and in the swing, and the horsepower of engine is also they increase little bit. And we have more than 8 or 9 crawler cranes of Sany brands and one rig machine. So we are fully satisfied with their service, and we have another Chinese equipment also, but comparatively we are very much satisfied with the Sany brand, which we have. We are using, these all different capacities of these Sany cranes with different brands of vibro hammers of maybe 6 ton, 7 ton, 8 ton, with the foundation jobs, all kind of foundation job, piling job we are doing in the different areas, and we are completely satisfied. We didn't face any problem.
Now I am nearby one of the STC 750A site, so we'll take the direct feedback from the operator. अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या है?
मोहम्मद इसार।
मोहम्मद इज़हार। आप कितने साल से काम कर रहे हैं इसमें, क्रेन में?
13 साल।
हाँ?
13 साल हो गए।
13 साल, 13 ईयर्स। अच्छा। सानी में कितना साल हो गया काम?
मैं 2 साल।
2 साल। अच्छा, कैसा लग रहा है ये सान?
बहुत अच्छा है। चाइनीज ट्रेन दूसरी चलाया, लेकिन तनिक फर्क अच्छा है उसको।
अच्छा, पहले बहुत चाइनीज मॉडल चला है, लेकिन ये थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है परफॉर्मेंस पूरा। अच्छा। ये पुराना मॉडल से कैसे लग रहा है? 750E पुराना था, अभी ए के बाद क्या लग रहा है?
उससे ये जो मॉडल आया ना, ये नया मॉडल,
हाँ
मॉडल, ये काफी अच्छा है, स्पीड भी अच्छा है।
स्पीड अच्छा है, और
चलाने में भी इजी है।
हाँ?
चलाने में भी इजी है।
चलाने में इजी है, ओके।
तो उसके बाद ये ना कि स्पीड भी इससे ज्यादा है।
स्पीड अच्छा, ओके।
स्पीड ज्यादा है।
हाँ।
मॉडल में चेंज किया ना आप किया।
हाँ, सही है। So I'm going to conclude this video. Hope this video finds you well. If you have any comments or clarification, you can drop it in the comment box. I am proud to say that Sany is the choice of more than thousands of customers. Why can't it be your choice? Thank you for watching. Rajesh here, signing off.